Reese just stands there, though. Do you want to switch saddles really quick? We can just set that one on him, and I'll just sit and watch. Yeah. That's a bad saddle for Patrick.
That saddle really hurts.
Are you okay? Are you okay? I have a